All right, my video shut down. We're going to finish number 2 on page 349, 6-13. We decided we needed to add and make a new 10. Now do we need to add and make a new 100? Yes, we do. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. How do we write 16? 160. Because it's 16 tens. Now we add our hundreds. 3 plus 3 plus 1 more is 7. So our answer is 762 for numbers 1 and 2. Now we're going to flip the page and turn to page 350. You can do the next two on your own when this video is all done, because we are going to talk about what an opposite operation is. If this is adding, what's the opposite of adding? You're right, it's subtracting. So we are going to check if our answer is correct once we're done with this. We're going to check it by doing the opposite. We're going to take our total and subtract one of the partners and see if we get the other partner. Let's back up and just look at number 7 on page 350. We're going to go ahead and start. 8 plus 7 is 15. Yes, you're right, boys and girls. I skipped number 5 and 6. You can do those two later. I'm going to give you directions after we're done here. So let's do number 7 together. Skip to number 7. We needed to make a new 10, didn't we? Now do we need to make a new 100? No, we don't. You're right. Why don't we have to make a new 100? Because 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 more is 8. That is not a new 10, is it? It's just 8. And now we're going to add our hundreds. 5 plus 3 is 8. All right, that's the total. So now we're going to check it by doing the opposite operation. 885. What's the opposite of adding? Yes, subtract. And now we're going to subtract the middle number. That's one of the partners. 357. And we're going to see if we get the other partner, which is 528. So let's see if we get the other partner. Remember, we're subtracting. What's the most important thing to ask? Can we subtract, or do we need to make a new 10? Yes, or I'm sorry, we need to ungroup to give 10 ones. So go next door, because 7 is bigger than 5. Go next door, take 1 away. And it's 7, and now we add 10 to the 5, and it becomes 15. Now we can subtract. 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 8 minus 3 is 5. Did we get the same answer as 528? 528. Very good. Now, how would we make this into a math mountain? 885 is you got it, the total. Because we're starting with the total when we subtract. So write one of the partners, 357, on one side of the math mountain, and on the other side of the math mountain, you're going to write the other partner, 528. So this, boys and girls, is how to write a math mountain with these 3 numbers. Do you notice these 3 numbers now are in this problem and this problem? They're related. They're like cousins. They both have the total. They both have a partner, and they both have the other partner. So you can see that on this math mountain. All right, now we're going to go to number 8. Number 8 is a subtraction problem. So what will be the opposite operation down here? How are we going to check it? Yes, we're going to add. That's how we're going to check to see if this answer is correct. All right, how do we do this? We can't subtract, we can't borrow, we can't borrow. Oh, but here we can. Take 1,000, trade it, and ungroup it for, you got it, 10 hundreds. Then do it again. Take 100, 10 tens, and do it again. Take a 10 and make 10 ones. Now we have ungrouped, we need to subtract. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. All right, so now we're going to do the opposite operation of subtraction, which is addition. So 562 plus, what's the other partner, boys and girls? You are right, 438. And now we're going to add it to see if we get 1,000. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. And look at what happened. We got the total of 1,000. So now we'll make a math mountain. What's at the top? 1,000, because it's the total. What does it matter if we put 438 on this side or this side? No, it doesn't. As long as we write it on one of the partner sides. These are called the add-ins, aren't they? Oh, my 6 got messy. So your two add-ins together add up and equal 1,000. And 1,000 minus one of your partners gives you the other partner, like we did right here. 1,000 minus 438 equals 562. All right, boys and girls, that is all for today. Here's the directions. You did 2 problems with me on the first page, 2 problems with me on the second page. You can go ahead now and you can choose 2 more problems on 350 and 1 more problem on 349. So you have to do 3 more problems. That's all. Have fun with it.